Give me another 2 weeks, you guys. Give me another 2 weeks and you're gonna see hardcore abs. Like, you're not gonna have to squint like you do now. If you squint, you see my abs. But give me 2 weeks, you will not have to squint and you will see my abs because they're coming. Like, they're here. They're here. But listen, they're just, you know, listen, give me 2 weeks, you will see abatry. You will see abatry. Right now, it's just, they're hiding a little bit. But I've been working out every day. I've been running. I don't go to the gym, but I don't know. I feel like I'm patting myself on the back for the little victories. Little victories. My almost abs are coming in and I see them. I see them. You don't see these abs? Squint. I don't know, you see them? If I kind of turn a little bit, you see them. They're coming through. They're coming through. And all I'm saying is get ready because I'm about to have chisel, like crazy abs. Give me 2 weeks. Just give me 2 weeks. Watch. This boy came up to me, and to me, I could tell that he was maybe 21. So he comes up to me and he goes, he was so nervous, but he was so cute. And he goes, "How old are you?" And I'm like, no. He comes up to me and he goes, "I'm sorry, I have to say something to you. Do I have a chance? Just tell me up front, do I have a chance?" And I'm just laughing and he's like, "No, I'm serious. Do I have a chance?" And I'm like, "Boy, how old are you?" He's like, "I'm 19. He said, "But I'm about to turn 20. I said, "How old do you think I am?" He's like, 21, 20. I'm like, oh my gosh, you just made my whole entire day. I'm 27 and this 20-year-old boy hit on me. Like, no, but you just made my whole day. It's over. Boom. He told me he's 27. He didn't even believe me. He's 27? What? I'm like, my heart. Okay, so I've been eating this every day. This is actually from 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven in Denmark slaps. How does it, listen, I'm showing my age, snaps. It's on fleek, right? I don't know how kids talk these days. But it's salmon with yogurt. They barely put any salmon in here. And tomatoes. It's actually really good. I've had it every day since being here. And then I just also ordered a Copenhagener Stang. But I checked the calories, there's only 90 calories. So I'm like, yeah, wait, no, there's 112 calories. So boom, you can have that. This is 300 calories. Basically, what I'm trying to say is, if you followed my Instagram, by the way, follow me on Instagram at Maryjane's World Tour. If you haven't watched my other video, Instagram deleted my Instagram account because I posted myself in Afghanistan with the Taliban. And they deleted my account and they said that I violated the terms and the conditions of Instagram. So I'm like, whatever. That's racist. I'm kidding. So yeah, I posed myself with the Taliban. I said the Taliban, they're not all bad and some are nice, and they deleted my account. So I made a new Instagram. Don't care. I made a new Instagram, and yeah, Maryjane's World Tour is my new Instagram. So please go follow me. Tomorrow I'm going to where Einstein is from. I actually was talking to this girl today and she's like, you have to go to this, the light's flickering. She's like, you have to go to where Einstein is from. It's really beautiful. So I'm going to his hometown and to the library where he used to study. I'm like, yes, I'm doing that. I love Einstein. I'll show you my journal. I bought this when I was in Japan. So, oh yeah, here's my journal. So, I write in this thing every single day of my life. My journal is everything to me. I write about all my travels, about my day, about my problems, about my life situations, and I'll show you. Let me see what I want to show you. I doodle sometimes. I got pictures of me in here in Iceland. I got I put all my plane tickets in here. I buy postcards and I use them as like art. So I buy postcards, but I just use it as art, like I just said. I might try and show you guys. Yeah, I journal my journal. And I'm gonna turn this journal into a book. No, I also have another book that I'm gonna turn into a book. It's in here. Okay, here's my other book. This is gonna be turned into an actual book when I'm done traveling every country in the world. And this, I'm not gonna tell you what it's gonna be called, but it's gonna be the book I'm gonna come out with when I complete my travel journey of visiting every country in the world. By the way, yesterday I posted a video about how I was struggling because I have 70 countries left to visit. On my goal to visit every country in the world, I've been to 125 countries, and it's getting hard financially, really hard. So I put down below, if you want to support my journey, so I have on my website, you can sign up to donate to my journey to visit every country in the world. And in exchange, I will send you a postcard every country I go to from now on. Or if you don't want to do that, I put my World Tour Cash App down below if you want to send anything, even if it's $1, to donate to my journey. And you don't understand, like, how much that means to me, the people who've already donated, like, and if you do in the future, like, you don't understand, like, how freaking, like, grateful I am. Like, I can't even explain it to you, and you will be a part of my journey in a big way, and you'll be a reason that I finish. You will be part of the reason that I finish this journey. So I just can't thank you enough. But yeah, this is my book. I'm writing. I love it so much. Okay, for example, I'll show you one of my Sweden pages. So, wait, is there some words? I don't want you to see the words, but like you could see, there's me. I take pictures. I find cute little stuff to put in here. I write about everything I learn in each country. So anyways, tangent. This is my journal, a little bit more private, like a lot more private. But when I was in Japan, I found these little sticky notes. How cute are they? And I use them in my journal. So like if I find some enlightening, if I hear something that I'm like, I need to remember that, I put it on this sticky note and I stick it in my journal. So like I might write, remember Jesus loves you, and then it's a sticky note thing. So stick the sticky note and put it in my journal. My journal's everything. I was just explaining to you how I love Einstein. Okay, I need proof. So I don't love him. I never met him. There's something about him. But yeah, I'm going to his hometown tomorrow on my way to my next country, and I'm really excited about that. So follow me on Instagram because I'm going to be posting a bunch of stories and reels from when I visit the library where he used to study. Like, come on now. I'm going to the Einstein library where he used to study. So anyways, this video I think is going to be called about like how I stay fit and in my travels. And the short answer is I just make sure that I get in lots of exercise and I pay attention to what I put in my body. I don't drink anything besides water and matcha lattes here and there, but I'm trying to cut back on the matcha lattes. But I drink a ton of water. I drink 3 liters every day, and I take my vitamins are everything to me. I don't skimp on my vitamins. I take my vitamins every single day. I go into more depth in another video, but fish oil, vitamin C, vitamin D. You guys, my camera died. I don't really know what part it cut off, but I think I was just saying how much that I cannot wrap my head and my mind around the fact that there's people out there that are like, Maryjane, keep going. Maryjane, rooting for you, Maryjane. I'm rooting for you so much that I'm gonna help and I'm gonna donate to your dream to visit every country in the world, these last 70 countries. Like, it blows my mind. Okay, if you hear all those beeps, I am so sorry. The Danish people today, they're going nuts. It's graduation day, and when I tell you, it's been from all day, they have been going crazy around the whole city of Copenhagen, and they're not stopping. There's nothing I can do about it. But anyways, yeah, I was just saying that I can't sit and fathom that there's people out there that say, you know, go Maryjane, go girl, and I'm gonna support you in your dream to finish these last 70 countries, and I'm gonna donate. I can't. I just can't. Like, I can't. It means the absolute world to me, every single one of you, even if you donated or donate $1. Like, it's still a big deal. It's still a big deal. And I just can't thank you enough. I'll have the links down below if you want to sign up for my $25. For $25, I will send you a postcard from my last 70 countries. Each country, I will fill out a postcard for you and send it to you and tell you, you are part of the reason that I got here. 70 countries is a lot. I've been to 125, but I'm like, the last 70 countries, I'm just like, I'm climbing, I'm trying to climb, and it's hard. I'm not a millionaire, and it's something millionaires do. Billionaires do, stuff like this, and I'm not one of those yet. But anyways, yeah, and I'll have that information down below if you want to donate to my Cash App and send even $1, or if you want to sign up for the postcard thing, the link down below. And follow my Instagram at Maryjane's World Tour, because they took my other Instagram. Instagram took my Instagram down. They told me they were going to put it back up, but they didn't. Because I posted myself in Afghanistan with the Taliban. Just because I was visiting. I don't know them personally. I just was visiting, whatever. So I made a new Instagram. Make sure you follow me at Maryjane's World Tour. That's my new Instagram. And it's like, I guess, my brand, Maryjane's World Tour. It's all about me doing this journey of visiting every country in the world. And yeah, it's a big deal. Big deal. Big deal. I would be going down in history. So yeah, it's kind of wild. So yeah, is there anything else I want to say? Tomorrow I'm visiting Einstein's home, where he used to study, the library he used to study in. Cannot even handle that. And then I'm right after going to my next country, and then I'm going somewhere really exciting. You guys are gonna love where I'm going next week. I can't wait to show you. You guys are gonna be like, you're back there? Yes. Okay. And then yes, posting all this stuff on my Instagram. And then yeah, just gonna keep going. I've been so inspired recently. Just keep posting. Been really into making content recently. It's fun, and I get it. So yeah, thanks everyone who donated, or is going to. Thanks everyone who followed me on Instagram. My new Instagram, starting from square one, because Instagram deleted my account for posting the Taliban. I think that's all I have to say. I'm really tired. I walked 21,000 steps today. 21,000 steps. I'll show you the proof. So I'm a little exhausted. I still have to work out too. I still have to do my workout. So maybe I'll show you guys my workout. I do it. I always lay down a towel. I always ask, can you send 2 more towels? They're like, okay. I lay them on the ground. Do my workout because I don't have like a mat with me. And I don't go to the gym. So yeah. See you guys in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.